If you're traveling to Disney soon, you may notice this new resort feature in your room. It's called Hey Disney, and it's your digital assistant while you are on your Disney vacation. It works like an Amazon Alexa or a Google Home. It's voice activated, so all you have to do is say, "Hey Disney," and it recognizes your voice. And don't worry, if you don't want Mickey listening the whole time of your stay, you can use the button on the top of the device to turn the microphone on and off. You can use it to do things like contact housekeeping for more towels, set your morning alarm, or even play trivia and music. If you need a pick-me-up, you can say, "Hey Disney, tell me a joke." Or it can even read your kids a Disney story. Let me give you an example. "Hey Disney, let's play trivia."
First, tell me if you want to select a category or answer random questions.
Select a category.
Sounds good. There are 5 categories of Disney trivia.
Just a side note, you can also use this as a touchscreen.
Sweet. Oh, and one more thing? I get all confused if everyone talks at once, so please, one answer at a time. Okay? I've got 6. Correct. Though this attraction now lives at both Disneyland and Magic Kingdom parks, It's a Small World first appeared at the New York World's Fair in 1964. Next question. True or false? The majestic centerpiece of Magic Kingdom Park at Walt Disney World is Cinderella Castle. A. Correct. Cinderella was the inspiration for this favorite attraction, while Disneyland's castle was inspired by Sleeping Beauty. Next question. Complete the name of this ride. Toy Story Midway. What? A. Traffic. Correct. Toy Story Midway Mania is a 4D carnival-style attraction where guests take aim at moving targets. Next question.
We really enjoyed that you got a bit of Disney history along with each trivia question. In case you forget all of these features, there is a handy room guide to help you find all of the things you can do. This is a fun, interactive feature that guests of all ages can enjoy. But it also has a useful function of being able to contact housekeeping when you need something. As you can see, there's a lot of features that the Hey Disney can do, including playing songs or music. In case you wanted some ambient room noise that isn't from your TV, you can play some songscapes, which we really enjoyed. Or you can play some Disney songs themselves. Hey Disney, let's hear some music. Hey Disney, stop. Besides having the room guide, the screen does scroll through the different features and functions that the Hey Disney can perform. It also does tell you the prompt that it asks for on the bottom by saying, "Try, Hey Disney, tell me a joke." So that's Hey Disney, your in-room resort assistant. We hope this was a helpful look at the Hey Disney feature in most Walt Disney World rooms. If this was helpful, feel free to give us a subscribe. Don't forget to like the video also, and drop us a comment letting us know if you've used this feature in your room or are looking forward to it. We'll see you on another TMR tour.